So if we consider this quadratic, we're going to use it to answer the following. So we want, for A, determine the y-intercept algebraically. So normally the shortcut, it's just 0, C, so 0, negative 40. Well, let's see why by solving it algebraically. When you find the y-intercept algebraically, you just plug 0 in for x. And when you do that, we just get negative 40. So that's why that shortcut works. B says algebraically find the zeros of the function using that zero product law. So that means we're going to solve by factoring. So to find the x's or the zeros, you're actually going to plug 0 in for y and solve for x. And again, we're going to solve by factoring. So we're going to use split the middle. So there's a 1 here in the front, multiply the first and last. 1 times negative 40 equals negative 40. Write down the factors. 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 3 doesn't work, 4 and 10, 5 and 8, and then that's it. So we have to figure out which of these can combine to give us 6, and that's 4 and 10. To get a positive 6, that 4 is going to be negative. So then we split our middle. We get x squared minus 4x plus 10x minus 40. We have 4 terms. So factor by grouping. And again, this is still equaling 0. We take out an x as our first GCF, and we're left with x minus 4. Our GCF for the next group is 10. And our leftovers are also going to be x minus 4. Remember, they have to match. So 0 is equal to, make your 2 parentheses, excuse me. We get x minus 4. And then x plus 10. Again, the repeating parenthesis goes in one, the GCFs go in another. Using that zero product law, though, we're going to set each one equal to 0 and solve. So we're going to add 4 to both sides, so x is equal to 4, minus 10, so x is equal to negative 10. So there are our roots. Last one here says write the function in vertex form. State the coordinate of its turning point. So to write it in vertex form, again, we have to complete the square. So to complete the square, we're going to take the 40 and move it over to be with the y. So I'm going to add it on both sides. So I get y plus 40 plus a box squared is equal to x squared plus 6x plus a box squared. To fill in our boxes, we just divide 6 by 2, so we get 3, and that's what we're filling our boxes in with. Condense this, so 40 plus 3 squared is 49, so that comes y plus 49 equals, condense this down, x squared in the front, 3 squared in the back, so this becomes x plus 3 squared. And our final step is to move the 49 over. So our vertex form is x plus 3 squared. Sorry, I write that a little bit better. X plus 3 squared minus 49. The turning point is then 0. Oh, what am I doing? The turning point is the x value here, but change the sign. Here's the y value, but keep the sign the same. So it's negative 3, negative 49. And there's problem 2.